I'm Ken Naughton, and I'm the president of Management Controls. The theme for me, and I use two words, one was adoption and one was maturity. And so we have a lot of great functionality that exists today that our customers aren't totally using. And so that's what we're trying to get them up that track maturity curve, because the more they use from us, the more value and savings that they'll realize. And the other word, adoption, is just, it already exists. We've already written it, it's in production, it works, but they haven't adopted it for whatever reason. So we took a real big focus to try to do demos, get them hands-on, so they could see that it existed and it works, and then now they can take it back to their companies and actually adopt it. Once they see it, just the efficiencies that they gain now, we really have to go to different parts in the application and track to find things, and then you have to back your way all the way out, and there's no persistence, so it didn't remember where you were. And so now all those things are fixed. So just that improvement right there and the usability. The other one is the processing time. We showed some examples where my track on certain business processes are 90% faster than doing it in track. Yeah, I think transparent lump sum is our newest feature that we've added. And the word transparent is there for a reason. So typically lump sum, it's sort of a black box, and if you just pay this amount, everybody seems to be happy. But what transparent lump sum proves or shows is actually that amount tends to be very, very inflated. And so if you would have done that work as T&M versus lump sum, you can now see that there's transparency and you can see that delta. It's a control that's never existed before, and we're the only ones who have it now. Data's gold, and so now our architecture can really support that. And we're able to see data and have the computer do the work and find things that maybe a human doesn't find. So to me, that's game changer. I think my most exciting thing about my track is the ability to leverage AI now. So our past architecture was from the 90s, and it was very rigid, and at the time track was invented, the internet really didn't even exist. So now we can take advantage of AI and machine learning. Also, all of our data analytics, there's all kinds of efficiencies just by doing it, a more modern way with better technology. And we had a chance to start from zero. We started with code line number 0. Track's over 2 million lines of code. We started at code line 0 and had a chance to literally do it from a white sheet of paper. So we were able to go fix a lot of things that we've been living with the last 30 years.
Impressive.
I think customer feedback has been fantastic. We want to build what the market cares about and what the market is going to use. And left to our own devices, we may not hit the mark so well. So for them to be able to continue to give us feedback, give us enhancement ideas, real world situations that maybe we have gaps or blind spots that we don't realize, they can give us that input and we can add that to the solution. I think the feedback has been great. Just keep the feedback coming.